This is a 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, voice recognition, cooled seats, an air suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, leather seats, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, adjustable driver pedals, and this vehicle has less than 24,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.